Yo, today's a good day, bro. I'm catching bangers live. Doroad is uploading this live. I'm in the chat, live. Live, like it out. Live. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like the live music before they play it still. But yeah. Fulus, Fulus, ready. Live up. Full scream. In the full stream. Make sure it's everything ready. Yeah. Directed by Asil. Produced by Carnes Hill. You know the beat I go sick then.
Stay far from the man, can a boy there?
SRB separation confirmed.
SRB separation confirmed! The burn out of twin solid rocket boosters at 2 minutes 5 seconds! Production!
From the man, can a boy there scary? My boy got 2 trap phones getting airy. I understand why your girl won't stare me. I'm in a party and my diamonds blurry. I step to the block and the boy there fear me. They understand that I get Sheffy and Terry. Tear out the block right now, I tear out the snoot and ting, let me share it sound. Spin the block right now, let's zoom. I wanna hear how this hunting booms. You should know I ain't a regular dude, I'm rude, but the ops only spinning their tunes, it's true. Who told my man get in the booth? We all know he ain't telling the truth. I got Luger 9s in my clip, I'm life for itch, I'm life for loose. I had your bitch, I had my twos, I'm on my own, I'm getting for loose. I was on the op block playing duck goose, where it's nothing but bop zoom. What you know about taking it off? Anytime I'm in the booth, I swear to say nothing but the truth. What you mean why I cut out the ends? Didn't you know I'm still getting for loose?
Aye.
Stay far from the man, can a boy there? I stay far from the man, can a boy there? I stay far from the man, can a boy there? I watched Most Wanted in my cell when I came out of jail and I thought I could bend it like Beckham. From young I always had my thing on me, and no I didn't come from Peckham. And yes I done my man dirty, he knows how I move with that weapon. I thank God that I came out of the trenches, I come a long way from a menace and straight. My gangs outside, yo, tell me what's the deal. Mob ties from gypsy to bricks and ill. You don't hear my spill. Why you think my man got cooked with a still? Why you think my man got chefed in the main road? Why you think my man got Moral of the story, don't talk on the hill, don't bother. Aye, better not talk on itch. I might switch. Me and Skinny stringing hell light bulb gangs outside of the door on Twitch. Another man there know what we did to the strip. It is what it is. Snoopy ripped the stand and it glitched. Take the spray off one pop, flip the switch.
Big up Asil. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. Big up Carnsel, big up Doroad, big up Asil. Definitely. Bro, I don't even know how I caught this live, bro. This was sick. Nah. This was sick still. Mad. But wicked beat. And it's a different kind of beat for Doroad still. And I don't really hear that kind of beat from Carnsel, but Carnsel make all types of beats, so you can't really study what Carnsel are gonna produce next to the bro. You know what I'm saying? Original! SRB separation confirmed. Coming out of the twin solid rocket boosters ad. A minute of 2 minutes 5 seconds. Production! I'ma go in the 8 and I fuck with the 6. I put the songs in the clip. Sorry, my brain start. You see, once you play Carnsel producer tag, bro, there's like just a list of songs that just automatically start playing off in my brain. Anyway, let me stop chatting. Fuck. I like this song. Let me know if you like it. Let me know if you don't like it. Let me know else if what if it react to. Kogency and the Kogency Rocks channel. Love out. Peace.